Hi guys, let's go to town. Ayeye izinqo zabafana. Ayeye izinqo zabafana. Ngayibhane ngane. Thatha kiss mncwa. Ngabe sengiyahamba ke ngiyogibela baby wami, baby V. Ngayibhane ngane. Guys, ngiye eKhotho ngabe sengifikile ke. Ngathola ukuthi mina ngifike early. Ngifike ngo-8 kani mina ufuna ngi-attend ngo-4. Uma ngisuka lapho ke ngabe sengothenga i-umbrella because in town it was raining, so bengitothamba vele kani lana guys. I was fixing my car, ngakhohle ikhula box yami ngabe sengiyeda la yo bangilungisile kamnanzi imoto yami, then ngahamba ngayela ngamall cause baby wami bekangiphe 500 to spoil myself. Okay, uma ngifika la cappuccino ke ngiyanikhomba ukuthi kuhle njani. Uma ngifika la cappuccino bese nginasesi wami wathi lo mlungwa la kumbe manager kumbe yini, wathi hayi mina ngoba because it's me everything will be half price. Hayibo, hayi ngi-order so njengoba nibone nje, hayi ngativisa nkosi yami, ngativisa bona kudliwa boma steak wena, kunatha boma cappuccino, kunatha boma fata orange wena, because I can't take alcohol while I'm driving. Ngabe sengiyachitha ngalokudatatela, inkinga yami ngiyagagamela bese ngichithile guys. Ngavele ngathi cappuccino phela bathe everything is half price. Hayibo ngabe sengidala skipper bam because I have an event. It has a view on this Saturday on the 19th of April. So guys, be there. Ngithenga guys. Phela levels. Akufan, but it's something. Anginalebul mina empilweni yami. So I was so happy nje. Then I was taking a picture. Then a lovely stranger was hypo. Can I join? That's okay, of course. Ngabe sengwithdraw imali because excuse me, I have to go to Pep. Ngothenga tindo lengitotidzinga Saturday ngathatha imoto ngaya downstairs. Downstairs khona lapha elangamola ngisho ku 2 stairs lena I downstairs yakhona ngangena la Pepi. I was here to buy some cars to decorate my denim, and also ngabe sengidalang every time nangidlula la bathi bayolilizela ngelanga lami elikhulu kakhulu lili. Ayibo, uma ngisuka lapho I went to Taro to show some love to truck drivers. I love this trend guys, ngicela ni join in because they need a hug. So uma ngisuka lapho ke ngabe sengishaya imoto. Uma ngishaya imoto ngitala e-Ackermans because bengifuna i-shorter okuhle ngoperforma naye, bengifuna i-shorter okuhle ye-jean ne-shirt, then isisal designer nyana ngangatholi ngabe sengidala power ngathola something, but then ngisayokujabula ku-design because angithandi ukuthi sifane nalabanye abantu, ngifuna ukuthi sibe unique. Okay, sharp. Uma ngisuka la edrobheni ngabe ngidlula la skipper bar eplaza banejelazi ukuthi ngithenge emateki kuphi e-mall. Ngabavusela ke sebangitshela marketing siyakuthanza mara usasupport wena sothenga e-mall. Ngathi come on guys, come on now. Then sahamba sathenga la sesomile phela sathenga i-cold drink. Excuse me, sengeta la Khotho ke. Ngeta la Khotho, mangisuka la Khotho drive imoto ngeta endlini ngafaka ipetrol, i-full tank ngeta endlini. Yes, i-full tank phela this is a Volvo. Hayibo, noma ngifika ekhaya ngabe sengikhumbula umuntu wami ngashaya imoto. Nakuya sengiyahamba mina sekunjanjani. Bengihamba nabo bhuti wami bangithenga ama hot wings, bangithenga i-McDonald's. Unfortunately I was not in a mood for alcohol, yabo. Bengekho emodini nje yotshwala yabo, bengihlele ngemuva. I was not driving because besesebusuku naku ke ngawungeka ngabe senginathi Corolla, but it has one la bese ngifikile la ngiyolala khona. Love you guys. Have a good day. Bye.